You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the capital city of the Canadian province of Alberta. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting Canadian city names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Edmonton. Stress on the first syllable. Edmonton. Don't forget, it's easy once you know Edmonton. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.